Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a FFmpeg WebAssembly video compressor. I have built this online tool right here. It's a web application which works right in the browser itself, and you can see I'm running it locally, localhost 5173, and this is a very simple app which allows users to compress the size of their videos. So you can actually select any video of any extension, MP4, WebM, MOV, AVI, MKV. So maximum size is 2 gigabyte, which is the restriction of FFmpeg WebAssembly. So maximum of 2 GB file you can select. So let me select this MP4 file. As soon as you select the video file, you will see this compression quality. So you can compress it high, medium, low, very low. Let me show you very low, and then as I press the compress now button, you will now see this nice little progress bar which will be shown to the user. So it will show you how much time is remaining. So once it reaches 100%, you can see the original size, which is 43.5 megabytes, and now it will also show you the real time compressing which is going on, and it will show you the compressed size. So just wait for the process to finish, and we are using FFmpeg WebAssembly library for this, and it can be a good idea for passive income tool, guys. You can actually purchase this project from me, the full source code. The link is given in the description. You can go to my website procodestore.com and purchase the full project, and you can deploy this tool and put advertisements and earn a lot of passive income daily from advertisements such as Google AdSense and Ezoic. So I have a website which is freemediatools.com, and basically I put these tools on this domain name, and I have approved this domain name on ezoic.com, which is an ad network, and you can see daily I'm earning passive income by placing advertisements. You can see daily this $4, $2, $2, $5, and similarly in Google AdSense also my domain is approved. And if I show you the data for last 3 years, you will see I am getting this almost every day. I am getting this some kind of passive income. So it's a nice little idea. You can actually purchase the full source code. The link is given in the description. Now let me show you the directory structure of this project here. So this is actually the project, and you will actually get this zip file. After you purchase, you will be automatically redirected to Google Drive, where you will get this zip file, and you just need to extract the content, and you will see it is built inside JSX. It's a full React.js project, and let me show you the package.json file. You can see it is using the latest version of React and also using FFmpeg WebAssembly, and you can see it's every component is split it across multiple components. You can, if you are a developer, you can modify this application as well, and it's very easy to deploy. So this is, if you're doing it for the very first time, then you need to npm i. This will install all the Node.js modules. It will create this folder, and let me just show you. It is now reaching it. It totally depends upon the size of the video. So if the size is more, then it will take some more time. But literally this tool is really fast. All this happening, it's in the browser. No server is involved in this application. So it's a static web application which is a video compressor editor powered by FFmpeg WebAssembly. So once it reaches 100%, you will see this will be showing this. This is the compressed version. This is the original. You can see the slight difference. The quality remains the same, but you can see we have compressed the size from 43.5 megabytes to 16.2 megabytes. So you actually gain 63% of the space. And now you see this download button. You will be able to download the compressed video, which is 16 megabytes. So you can see the quality remains the same. You can see all the content is clearly visible, and this is a complete web application, guys. It's completely responsive as well, so it will be looking good at mobile devices as well. So if you purchase it, you can readily put advertisements. You will get the full commercial right to actually deploy this application to your shared hosting. And now to deploy this, it's very easy. So you come to the application, you actually build this application. So the build command is very simple: npm run build. So you will actually execute this command npm run build. So it will actually create a dist folder. It will actually minify everything, and it will create this dist directory, and you just need to upload all these files to your shared hosting, and then this application will perfectly work. So you can see that. So in this easy way, this is a complete React.js project for video compressor. So if you need this source code, the link is given in the description, guys. If you want the full source code, you can purchase it from my website. The link is given. And if you don't know about FFmpeg WebAssembly, it's an open source package for using FFmpeg library, which is a popular audio and video processing library directly in the browser. So we are using this package in React.js to build this awesome looking single page video compressor right in the browser itself. So no server is involved, all the things are happening in the browser. So if you are doing it for the very first time, just execute npm i. So this will install all the node modules, and just execute the command npm run dev. So this will start the server locally. So this application will start here, you will see that. So it's very simple to do. If you are interested, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase the full source code. And thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.